Hey everybody out there in YouTube land. I've been getting some questions on my homemade sprouting devices. So I thought I'd do a fairly short video on the finished product, my latest of 22 different prototypes. And this one, as you can see, is doing very well. Just give me a moment. I'm going to tell my smart plug Google Home to turn off the water so I can open it and show you. Hey Google, turn off sprouter. All right, so now that the sprouting water is off, there's a small estuary pump in the base and the reservoir. Obviously you can tell that this is a smaller blue water bottle that I've repurposed. And the rest is made pretty much out of pop bottles, Coke bottles, 2-liter Canada Dry bottles. But so the pump has a hose that's central, comes up to the top here where it bubbles over into the reservoir. I'll take that off so you can see. And then the reservoir fills up, and then the gravity forces the water to go through the drain tubes and then into the bottles themselves. This design is actually really good because I can almost operate it almost with one hand. So gonna try to open this here and show you. And these are sunflower sprouts. So they start from the sunflower seed. We're all very accustomed to. Basically that's the seed there. And then as it grows, it splits. And what's actually in the seed is the stem. And we gotta go, oh, this is a good one. There we go. So yeah, so what we have here is the leaf at the top, the root system at the bottom, and the stem, and it's all completely edible. And the great thing about doing this hydroponically with just water is that you can eat the roots, and there's a lot of nutrients in those roots. These are microgreens, so they have micronutrients, like a multivitamin for your body. It's very good. Helps the body cells regenerate. It's living food. So when you consume this, you're actually consuming living enzymes, which really help the cells in the body. And if you look here in the center of the plant, you'll see a little tiny bud. There it is there. Come on, camera, focus. And that little tiny bud is actually showing that the plant is at its nutrient peak. And you don't want that bud to get too much longer than that. Otherwise, the plant starts to get a little fibrous and has less water content. The leaves, you want them to be crispy, so like basically you can just break them very easily. See if I can snap this one. See how it just snaps like that and comes clean off? That's very good health for the plant as well. You don't want leaves like this peppermint plant here, which are very leafy, very fibrous, and very resilient to being squished. So yeah, this is what you want. Your mature plants look like this, and your juveniles will spring up from seed. In about 3 days, you get a sprout. And then in this system here, where the water cycles and recirculates the nutrients, I can cut the cycle down from 7 to 4 days, from seed to germination. As you can see, my harvests in just these 4 pods are really good. I can feed my whole family of 4 based on what this system produces every 4 days. So yeah, that's it as far as the general operation of how it works, what it looks like. And then what I can do, a follow-up video when I'm cleaning it, because I'm about to harvest this harvest. I'll show you the harvest that I get from it. And then when I'm cleaning it, I can show you the individual operation, kind of what the reservoir looks like and all that. So thanks for watching. I like to keep these videos about 5 minutes because I know you're busy people and you have a life. So again, I appreciate your attention to this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'd be happy to entertain them. And I'll do a construction video on how I built it and my resources and what I used in the future for anybody that really wants to build one. Again, thank you. Have a great day.